That's something else.
Hell yeah. That's amazing, man.
Yeah. It's gotten about, it seems like double in size.
Yeah. Look, yo, boy, there's lightning inside one cloud inside in the sky.
Take it easy, man.
All right, man. It can't be natural because there's no thunder coming from it. What could it be? I talking about real lightning, y'all, boy. Matter of fact, this the only cloud in the sky. I think it coming from West Vaco, though. They got something going on and it's causing something in the atmosphere. Ooh, shit. You see that? I got a whack-ass phone, but I know you can see that shit. I outside. Cloud right there. All that lightning going on and ain't no noise. What the hell is that? And y'all thinking shit ain't real? Alright. Get right now. What? Shut up, girl. That's me. She don't even know who I is. I should have kicked Abby just now. Scary ass. Damn, I still recording. Y'all boys see this shit, right? Ooh, shit. Man, I hope this shit recording, man. This lightning inside one cloud, y'all boy. I'm gonna stop this one, see if it's recording. Coming right back.